Bakit siya pinangalan ng Seventh-day Adventist?
Yeah, Seventh-day Adventist is a compound word. So pag sinabi mong Adventist is expecting the second coming, the imminent coming of Jesus Christ, and seventh day is to preserve the seventh-day Sabbath.
Our denominational name is used to describe our denominational beliefs. Are you affirming that? Yes or no?
That's your belief.
The word Adventist is came from the Latin word Adventum, which means waiting for the Lord. Are the Christians of the New Testament and the apostles waiting for the soon coming return of our Lord Jesus Christ? Yes or no?
Lahat ng pagka-Kristiyano ka, mag-aantay ka.
When you say Adventist, which means waiting for the soon coming return of our Lord Jesus Christ, no? The apostles are Adventists.
Yes,